Same thing, orange stage, watch outside of the vehicle, path to travel violation. Good braking, good braking, good braking. Amazing job. Uncommon thing, side of the vehicle, left turner or right turner in this situation. Did a good job with the braking.
Tell me to slow down.
That's fine. All right, watch out, watch out, watch out. The road looks kind of terrible. Oh, yeah. Careful, careful. Check your pantalones on that one. That is a possible hazard out in the wilderness, out in the mountains. Animals are a hazard, but then take a quick look. You know, we have, you know, the cliff right here. We have debris. Okay, so you never know if there's a little bit of debris here. So when we do that whole outside, inside, outside turning, we could possibly hit debris on that. That's why I like to maintain just the middle. Honestly, I'm not here racing. I'm not here doing anything crazy. I understand line of sight. I understand for the best positioning for speed. I understand all that, but I'm out here enjoying the vision and view and all this stuff. I love it, the cool weather. And I'm just gonna stay middle, and take it nice and easy. Now, if there's a hazard in the middle, I'm gonna go ahead and just go around it. Adapt to the hazard, planning my ride. Yeah, watch out for animals. That's one of those situations where you don't have control. So if you don't have control and something bad happens, that's why you need to wear full gear. Full gear, hopefully it mitigates any type of injuries. Hopefully it prevents a lifelong injury, a life-altering injury, or a life-ending injury. Yo, I want to say thank you to Revzilla for being a sponsor of this channel. Grab yourself some motorcycle gear. This is their version of gear. You can find this at Cycle Gear also. But click the link in the description. No extra cost to you. It's an affiliate link. It helps support the channel. So if you're going to buy gear anyways on Revzilla and you want to get some gear, click that link and help out. Like I said, no cost to you. I'll see you guys around.